Guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today this is like a pre-film to a video, and I just kind of want to give it a bit of an introduction. So you'll see from the title that I am testing out some Wuka period pants. Wuka stands for Wake Up Kick Ass, and they are reusable period pants, and they are the UK's first period pants that completely make it so you don't have to use tampons or pads. Other ones, you can wear them as like a backup to a pad or a backup to a tampon, but the heavy flow Wuka pants are a replacement to single-use plastics, which is amazing. I know some people are a bit like, ooh, period pants, I don't like the idea, but I have used various ones in the past, and I am a big fan. And I had my birthday list that I wanted some Wuka pants. However, I was very fortunate that Ruby, who is the founder of Wuka, contacted me and asked if I would like to try a couple of pairs, and I was like, did a little squeal because I was so excited, and I said yes please, because I followed them on Instagram for ages and ages. I just think they seem amazing. They are organic, they're vegan society, let me look, because I'm just kind of vegan society registered, and they appeal to people who want to try and use less single-use plastics. And I, for one, since I've had my kids, I just do not like tampons anymore. I just cannot deal with them. I had a moon cup and it was all right, it was okay, but I'm kind of over it now. And I have been using washable sanitary towels, which again, people are like, but just get over it. It's blood, it's a period. We aren't living 50 years ago. We can talk about it. So yeah, period pants are a really big thing, and I think they are amazing because they help decrease all the single-use plastic crap that is going to landfill and being flushed down the toilets every day. There are some stats, I will put the stats on the screen, which are just staggering, like how many single-use plastics just in the UK are being used every year and every day is just insane. And period pants as well, I think for young girls, I started my periods when I was 10, and my school hadn't really done anything about it, so I was just like, I didn't know what to do. And I think if this had been something around when I was 10, it would have made life a lot easier for me. So I know not everyone starts their periods when they're 10, but I was 10, and yeah, these would have just changed how I grew up for a long time, I can promise you that. Women with disabilities, little girls with disabilities, athletes, there's so many different people that can benefit from these, and I'm very excited to be trying them out. So my period is due like tomorrow, maybe the next day, and I will try them out, but I will show you what I've got. So I have got the medium flow pants, leak proof, breathable, 100% organic. This is one pair that I've got, and they are washable at 40 degrees, 100% cotton, and the fabric softener, iron or tumble dry. There is lots more information on the Wuka website, but let's just get in. I haven't even opened these yet. These came like 2 weeks ago, and I was like, no, I need to wait. So I have got an XXL, because my ass is massive, and I'm fine with that. So they are super soft, so you can't tell. Like, I was talking to my friends about this, and they were like, oh my god, our period pants, like, doesn't look like, I'm just wearing a Wuka top, is it like you've got like a massive nappy on? It's not at all. Like, you literally can't tell there is anything different about them than normal pants. They're super soft, and these are the medium ones, which I will quickly just holds 3 tampons worth, so medium flow, 15 ml. So these ones are £19.99, and you can have them in black or grey. So it says Wuka pants are Wuka pants is your complete tampon and pad replacement for wear it for up to 8 hours on all but your heaviest days for the medium ones. So you can wear these for 8 hours on your not on your heavy days, and you'll be fine. I'm going to test them out, don't worry. I have some ridiculously heavy periods now, so we'll be testing them. So we will see what these are like. And the second lot I've got is the Heavy Flow Midi Brief Black in XL. Discount code, which I'll put on the screen, where you can get some money off. Yeah, these are £24.99. And then let's have a look. So these are, ooh, pretty. So these have got like a meshy bit on the side, and then the rest is kind of like, this top bit feels a little bit like cosy material just here, and then it's kind of more like cottony on this bit. And yeah, they are really nice. I like the band on them, the Wuka wear on the band, that's really cool. If I'm feeling brave, I'll put some pictures of me in wearing them, but that might not happen because I've had a lot of bread. We'll see. Excuse me. But yeah, they are, these ones, the heavy days, overnight, up to 8 hours. And it says, wear it for up to 8 hours on your light days or 4 to 6 hours on your heavy days. The world's most comfortable, hygienic, luxurious and eco-friendly period underwear. Holds at least 20 ml of period flow or light leaks, around 4 tampons worth. Soft, stretchy, Lenzig micromodal fabric with a super absorbent high-tech fabric moisture barrier, making it period proof. Carbon neutral fabric made in Austria. I'm literally reading this off the website because I'm never going to remember this. Midi brief style with full coverage at the back without feeling bulky. Machine wash at 40, line dry, rinse after use. For quick drying results, give it an extra spin. No tumble drying, no fabric softener. That is the same thing for like all the reusable sanitary towels that I use as well. They are no tumble drying, no fabric softener. So 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Try one, refund or exchange for a different size for up to 40 days after purchase. Again, that will all be on the website. I am going to go and wait for my period to start, and then we'll come back when I'm wearing them and see how they go. But yeah. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description because there is 20% VAT tax on period products in the UK, on period pants especially. We have to pay VAT tax on these, which is not fair because they are a necessity, and our ridiculously useless government doesn't feel that is a way. So I'll leave the link to the petition. Go and sign it. I'll see you when my period starts. Good morning. My period started this morning. I got up at about 6:30 and put my medium flow pants on. The sort of first half of the day of my first day of my period doesn't tend to be very heavy, so I'm gonna try the medium ones today, and they say they can hold sort of up to 8 hours, but not on your heaviest day. Tomorrow and the next day will be my heaviest days, so we will see how they go. But yeah, they're super comfy, they fit really, really nicely, and they do not feel like you're wearing a nappy, which is, I know, what a lot of people are like. That's the question. People are always like, does it feel like you're wearing a nappy? Not in the slightest. It just feels like you're wearing pants. Another one is people, I told some of my friends and they were like, does it feel squishy? I was like, it does not feel squishy at all. We'll let you know as the day progresses. So 8 hours for these would be like about 2 o'clock this afternoon. So I will see how they go, and yeah, just keep updating as and when throughout the day I change them. Yeah. Hiya. So it is now 4:29 in the PM, and I had the medium flow pants on until about 12, and I kind of was like, I feel like I need to change these now. They didn't leak or anything, I just kind of felt like it was their time to be changed. So that was like 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hours like wore those. And then I put on the heavy flow, and yeah, I'm fine so far, but my period has got very, very heavy this afternoon. Excuse you. So we'll see how long they last. It says sort of up to 8 hours, and it's been 4 so far. So we'll see if they will last a little while longer. But I have washed the other pair already, just because I had a wash to go on. So you rinse them, you just rinse in cold water. That's the same as, what's that? baby man? Oh, what's wrong? Because I wouldn't let you pull my hair. Who's that, baby? Say hi. Can you say hi? Good boy. Clever boy. Clever boy. You want this? Yeah. So I wash them in cold water, and that's the same as any kind of reusable period things. You generally wash and rinse them in cold water, and then I just popped them in my normal wash with the rest of my stuff, and I've just got them in the airing cupboard drying. So hopefully they'll be dry later for bed, and I'll just chuck them on for bedtime. But we will see how long these heavy flow ones last, and I will update you either later or tomorrow. Okay, it is now 9 minutes past 6, and I hurt my back earlier, and so I just had a bath, and I have taken the pants off, and they are now in the washing machine, as you can hear now. So yeah, they didn't leak or anything, so I'm super happy, and I'm very heavy today. I would say an overshare, but you're watching a period video, so there is no such thing as an overshare. Yeah, I will get these to dry, ready for the morning, and then we'll start again tomorrow. Hey guys, so I didn't get around to filming on my second day of my period, just because I was really busy, but I got up in the morning and I put on the heavy flow pants about 6:30, 7 in the morning, and I wore them I think until around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. They didn't leak. I specifically so far for the period I've worn light coloured trousers, so if I did leak I could see. I am a creature of habit, and I normally wear like black leggings, black joggers, black jeans, but I thought, well, that way I'm not going to be actually able to tell if I've leaked. Even if it's just a little bit, I want it to be able to see. So I wore like light coloured trousers where I'd be able to see quite obviously if I'd leaked, and there was none. So then I got them in the wash and put on the medium flow, and I wore the medium flow from like when I took them off until around about 6 or 7, and then I just used a normal sanitary towel, like a reusable one, for a few hours until I went to bed, and by then my heavy flow was dry, and I wore those overnight, and they were absolutely fine. They're so comfy to sleep in, and again, I am a wiggly sleeper, and my bedding is grey, light grey, no leaks, which is amazing. Day 3, I took off those ones, put on the medium flow, absolutely fine. Wore them I think for like 7 hours, because by this point my period was tailing off a little bit. And then I'm just washing and drying. I definitely think if you want to try them, go for it. Just buy 1 or 2 pairs to see how you get on, because I don't know why you wouldn't love them, but if you didn't, then you don't want to spend too much money in case you don't like them. But I think to get you through a normal period, for me personally, I'd want like 3 to 4 pairs of the heavy flow, and then the same of the medium. The baby's in his baby cage, just banging some bowls together is what you can hear, but he's happy, so we'll just deal with that and pretend he's not doing it. Yeah, I think 3 to 4 pairs of each for me. I do wash, like I do like 1 or 2 loads of washing a day, so washing them is no issue for me. It's just drying them, and luckily I have got like an airing cupboard with my boiler in the bottom, so I can just put them directly on there and that will dry them. But obviously if you had more pairs, you wouldn't have to do a load every day, if that makes sense. But I absolutely love them. I will be buying more. I'm very thankful to WHATLUCEDOES for sending me them to try, and they are, that is it for me now for periods. WHATLUCEDOES all the way. I still have my reusable sanitary towels, which are also awesome. I'll leave a link to where I get those from, this Cloth Mama on Instagram. I always buy from her. For whatever reason, if I haven't got a pair washed, I will use those, but I am now, yeah, I will be stocking up on WHATLUCEDOES to just, that's how I want to carry on now, because I just feel like it is so much better for the environment. It's so comfy. I hate normal sanitary towels. The plastickiness, the rustle that you think everyone else can hear that they can't, but you panic that they can. And I just, for me personally, I don't get on with tampons anymore. I haven't since having the kids. I'm just not a fan of it. So yeah, and it's so much better for the environment, which is amazing. I'll leave all the links down below. They do have lots of different options. They have like saver sets where you can get like a certain amount of the heavy flow ones on a discount. There's teen packs, first period packs. There's loads of different options. So I'll leave everything down below with my discount code as well for you guys. If you try them, let me know. I would love to have your thoughts on them, what you think of them, because I love them so much and I am very, very happy to be a Wuka ambassador. I wouldn't ever promote something like this if I didn't feel like it works, but I really do feel like it's a game changer. If I'd have had these when I was 10, my life would have been a lot nicer as a 10-year-old. Not that it was a horrible life, but let me get the baby. You wanted it. So yeah, not that I had, it wasn't horrible, but I was 10 and I didn't know very much, and it was just, it wasn't a very nice time. So it would definitely have made a difference to me. So yeah, if you like these kind of review videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I've got some giveaways running at the moment, which I will link for you guys down below. But I need to go and play with this baby because he is a wiggly. Woo. You say hi to that baby? Can you say hi? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.